Hi, this is Zach with Fortunato Research and Development, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new product in our lineup. The Fortunato VHLS, or Variable Height Lowering Spring Kits, allow you to adjust the ride height of your vehicle outside the range of a normal lowering spring kit while retaining your vehicle's adaptive dampers. Unlike a traditional lowering spring kit where you replace the spring on your vehicle's stock suspension with just another spring, with Fortunato VHLS, you replace your vehicle's spring with a dynamic multi-piece system that allows you to adjust ride height on each corner of the vehicle independently while retaining your stock adaptive suspension. The difference between coilovers and a kit like Fortunato VHLS is, while a coilover kit will replace every part of your suspension, dampers, springs, and sometimes even mounting hardware, VHLS is designed only to replace the springs while retaining the dampers and mounting hardware that came with your vehicle. Unlike a traditional lowering spring kit where you will replace the spring on your stock suspension with just another spring, Fortunato VHLS offers you a height adjustable spring perch both front and rear. With this, to change your ride height, you'll simply remove the spring perch, adjust the length of the spring perch to your desired length, and then reinstall it. With that, your vehicle's lower. The height adjustment range on Fortunato VHLS will allow you to maintain stock ride height and increase your vehicle's handling and performance, or drop to about 1.5 inches under stock. While height adjustment will vary depending on the application, we've seen on average up to 1.5 inches drop below stock. Our first 3 vehicles the Fortunato VHLS kits are available for are Honda Civic Type R FK8, Honda Civic Type R FL5, and A90 Supra. As we continue to advance forward, we'll offer these products for future vehicles with adaptive suspension to allow you to take advantage of the convenience and comfort of the stock active suspension while improving your handling by increasing the spring rate and allowing you to lower your center of gravity.